Right, so what I want to do today is a super quick video. Yeah, what I want to do today is put a question out to you. There's always a bit of a debate when it comes to POV videos, whether people like to have music, whether they like to have the raw bike sounds, or whether they want to hear somebody talking. So what I thought I'd do today is I'm going to run this same little section of trail, and I'm going to do it 3 times. One, we'll put some music over it. Second, just the raw sound, you know, me breathing, hopefully the crunch of the tyres through the sticks and the dirt and whatnot. And then third, I'll run down with a bit of a commentary, talking you through the ride and stuff. So what I'd like you to do then at the end is vote 1, 2 or 3 if you prefer the music 1, the raw 2, or 3 the commentary. So here we go for run number 1, and this is me riding, and we'll put some rock music on. Right, hope you like that one. As I say, it's quite a short run. Let's go back up for run number 2. This time with just the raw bike sounds. Okay, let's do the laces up. Right, run number 2. No music, no talking, just the raw sounds of the bike. Let's go. Oh, there we go. Raw trail sounds. Some people's favourite. Right, let's back up for number 3. Okay, so that was 2. Now the third and final version. This is run number 3, and this is with, I'm a bit out of breath, but this is with some commentary and talking, a bit like Jim Buchanan.
Oh, it's a horrible turn. Oh, a bit sketchy. Oh, I don't like this bit. Oh, no. Oh, up there. Oh, big scary drop. Ah! Yes. Oh, come on. Do the scary glide. Oh, big scary jump. Woohoo! Oh, no. And another one. Ah! Flat trees. Oh, all those tricks and stakes and trees. No way. Oh my god. Oh, that's definitely my favourite.
Here's our little bonus clip. We're going to ride up to this drop, which from here looks massive. Little track stand, and then drop in. A little stop. A little stop. Right, hope you enjoyed these little clips today. If you did, leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.